I'm going to show you how to cancel YouTube subscription on Android. So to get started, first open up your YouTube app on Android device. Once you are in, looking for your profile icon in the bottom right corner, that's your gateway to manage in your subscriptions YouTube profile icon. Attack and you will be taken to your account settings. In the top right corner there is a little J icon, that's your ticket to the settings menu. Go ahead and click on it now. Within the settings menu, look for the purchase at membership option is right there, wait for you. Once you have found it, go ahead and click on it, or say page with various options, but what we're interested in today's learn more. Leave it back and you will be taken to the next question. Is good all the way down to the bottom of the screen, and there you will find the key to cancel in your subscription. That's how can I cancel my subscription, and you are on your way to end in your YouTube subscription.